sa population. Kasi natin may kadila natin mo ito.
Hello sa'yo, Andrea. Thank you so much sa wardrobe ko pati sa news.
Outside purview para ma-encourage, para to comply or para mo-take sa inyo sa education. And then, HIV and mental health. So,
picture. Happy Pride Month!
For the adherence to the theme, it's 30%. Originality and creativity, that's 30%. Projection and the audience impact, 30%. Beauty, 10%, for a total of 100%. So all of the contestants, good luck and congratulations in advance.
Starting with contestant number 1. Contestant number 1 is wearing a festival costume and a very big headdress. Her costume represents the life of an LGBT member. Very bongga. Sayaw juday. Saleda day. Look. Let's call candidate number 2. Hala, ready sa candidate number 2. Hala ka sa ledya. Candidate number 2 was once a fish. Daga kay Miss na backhoe flip. Candidate number 2 is wearing a bukod. Just bought 1 kilo of karunoy. Her top symbolizes a spider. Candidate number 2 is also known as Gagamge. Spider Gang, contestant number 2. Magdeta ka rin. Let's go with candidate number 3. Candidate number 3 looks like an angel. Wearing her authentic hair, not a wig. She looks very beautiful and ethereal. And I was the candidate number 2, guys. Hala. Very beautiful. Wearing a miniskirt and a golden shoe. Her costume symbolizes the journey of an LGBT member. You start pure, you end golden. That was candidate number 3. Speed up as we call candidate number 4. Tanan di ay ang ato ang munisipyo na ay inkantada ni Gawan. Hala, abdanan ang munisipyo na ay diwata. Candidate number 4 is a fairy of the mothers. She's wearing a long green gown, a pure white gown that symbolizes purity. You may be gay, but you can also be pure at heart. Very beautiful and very majestic. That is candidate number 4. Tanawa sa si candidate number 2B. Yung marag nasuko na siya. Dahil ito parang siya kaglamig ang headdress, Doy. Ito parang kaglamig headdress. Let's go, candidate number 5! Parang kaglamig siya ang fans. Hala, ada kang fans sa number 5. Parang kang libre yung fans. Candidate 5 looks very, very alluring. She is wearing feather-like costume, long knee boots to complete her ensemble. She is wearing a recycled top, feathers made out of paper. She symbolizes Earth. Symbolize the life of an LGBT person. Soar high, candidate number 5. Tanaw sa ni candidate number 2. Okay, toto kayo mga bata. Ganahan sila maparehas ni mo dahil. You are a good influence to the youth. Continue making very beautiful memories. Let's go! Hinakahuat, contestant number 6! Hala! Very graceful. She's representing the Pasigarbo Queens. Wearing a ball gown with petticoat. Very graceful. She's wearing a golden brown petticoat gown and headdress. She's very flexible and can dance really, really well. Ikapipito ka turn sa'yo, gundam. Yeah, one more turn, candidate number 6. Alright, those are our 6 lovely candidates.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Nika Ausada Basadre, representing Barangay Poblacion 2.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Wesley Sofia Hadraki Smith, all the way from Barangay Santo Niño.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is no other than Raven Curtis, representing Barangay of Labrador. I know that we LGBT...
Atras, ma'am.
I know that we LGBT have been through a lot of challenges in life, but that will never end our success. And today it is our day to celebrate and to empower everyone that we are living in this world in equal. Thank you.
Candidate number 4. Naku, medyo encantada. Our judges are having a very hard time.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is James Jewel Tubasa Valdasala, loud and proud to represent Barangay Law. Balik. Charas. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, especially to our distinguished board of judges. This is J. Marie Gravas Echo, 18, 19, 20! Representing Poblacion Uno!
Liad pa, uy, sige na. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano na, abot?
Blessing of grace and peace be with you all. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen gentlemen who are the ladies and ladies who are a gentleman. Starting the front of you is the lady who has the courage to be brave and confident enough to face this beautiful scenery of crowd. I am Rihanna Rose Rajanzong, proud and loud to represent kung asang barangay na mahalog Lord, mahalog!
Poblacion Uno! And Barangay Mahanlon! Maraan ka, Dek? Okay. So, mangutana kasi mga contestants, no? Gamay na kaayo ang question.
My question is part of leaders. Like, it symbolizes trust, honor, strength, wisdom, power, and freedom. That would be all. Thank you.
Asa man ang freedom, anida, ang feathers. No? Kaya marang langgam man siya. Ang sa man ang feathers.
It symbolizes freedom also.
Freedom. Di ba kaya ang mga langgam, maglupad-lupad ba yan? Kung langgam ka, unsa ka day kurukotok, unsa man ka, tikarol?
Eagle, because it's Philippine bird.
Ah, very smart. Oh, she's this afternoon.
This costume symbolizes spiritual and faith. Because I am the spiritual, that's why I am the part of LGBT.
Inspiration of your costume, I see white, yellow, gold, embellishments. May pasabot ani mong costume.
My costume was inspired by a goddess, and it is reflects in my personality, like being resilient and being hopeful and being myself. Because not only women and men are involved to be a god, as also we involved in that. Also, we are involved in that.
Very good. Oh, Black Beauty, very beautiful. What's your inspiration of your Mala Encantadja outfit, Mams?
So good afternoon, everyone. So as you can see, my outfit is a resemblance of the Greek goddess. She is the goddess of marriage, women, and birth. And that would be Hera, the sister and wife of Zeus. So as you can see today, it is a testament that not all, or it's not just about woman that can be a goddess. It's not just about a royalty that can be a queen, but it's about us, that we give ourselves the chance to show ourselves, because our authentic selves can be the testament that we are another, or we are deserved to be treated equally in our society.
Yes!
Miss International Queen 2024. Hello, now, kay fans dito. Hello, fans! Hello, Moms. Would you like to say hi to your fans?
Hello everyone. Hey, Shima.
Okay, what's the inspiration of your costume and who made your costume?
This costume is inspired by the Asia's Next Top Model, Charan. I'm so very thankful to my friends and helping this costume to be completed. And I am so thankful to the supporters, especially to my mother. Thank you so much for having me.
You are part of the top 3. Candidate number 1. Candidate number 1 is from Poblacion 2. Alright, please stay here. So 2 more remain. Bisa kaha ang ma-appeal sa atong duha na lang kanabilin nga part sa top 3. You're part of the top 3 candidate number! Candidate number 5! Candidate number 5 is from Poblacion 1. And to the ladies who will not be called, you are already a winner by representing your barangay. Diba sa kadaghan na LGBT members sa inyong barangay, kamo joy gipili. Ngano man. No, gipili gid mo, that means you're already a winner. So if you're not called, you're not part of the top 3. The last candidate who's part of the top 3 is Kinsa kaha? Candidate number 4. We have number 3 there, number 6, number 4. You are part of the top 3, candidate number 4. Candidate number 4 is from Barangay Loo. We may call the ladies or not called, so please have your final moment in front. Ladies and gentlemen, our ladies for the competition today. Again, congratulations and thank you very much. 3.3%. Our judges voted. The third runner-up is Barangay Loo. Candidate number 4. We may call garnering a total score of 86%.
First
Our second runner-up
Second place.
is... Our second runner-up is... Barangay. So kung ani day no barangay 1, barangay 2 naman day ni. 1, 2 na ato i-announce. 1 or 2. Our second runner-up is Barangay.
First runner-up lagi.
Poblacion 2!